Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we are going to talk about the current correction that's happening right now on Bitcoin and the major altcoins. So I told you already in my previous videos, we are probably going to retrace down. My targets are $36,000 and worst case scenario $32,000. So hope you listen to me. Hope you didn't open any high leverage trades or any big positions right now, because the market is still up for a correction. We've been going up for literally 3 months consecutive gains for Bitcoin and altcoins, but many altcoins who did many exits in the couple of months. So the market just needs to retrace a little bit and cool off. That's very normal. We also have Grayscale who are selling a lot of Bitcoin right now from their GBTC trust to move over to the ETF. So that's also one of the reasons why the market is correcting right now. But let's take a look at the Bitcoin price without further ado and check out what the technicals are telling us. So right here we can see Bitcoin already broke below the bottom of this rectangle here. So that's not a good sign at all. We will probably see even lower price target. We created a lower low here, a lower low here, a lower low here, lower highs all the time. So the market looks like it's on a trend to go down. My targets for that are here. We have this bear flag price target at $36,000, and we also have the big support here at $32,000. Those are my bearish price targets. I think it's very likely that we will hit the $36,000, $32,000. Not so likely, but still possible. So you need to be very careful. Don't open any high leverage positions now if you're not an experienced trader. If you're an experienced trader who's very good at shorting, go on. Take your profits from the market. I'm also opening some smaller shorts here and there when I see that the market is about to go down. I usually like to short smaller altcoins because they tend to go down even more than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now let's take a look also at Ethereum and see what's happening there. $2,300, and we can see here exactly, we had the big resistance here, 12 months resistance of this channel, and as I said, we are probably going to go down from there, and we can see it happened literally. We went down below here, the $2,300 area, and it looks like it's probably going to go even lower. My realistic price target would be $2,000 or even 1,600, 1,850 before that, but also 1,600. I think it's very likely, especially if Bitcoin will go down to $32,000. Okay, let's see what Sui is doing. Sui recovering a little bit. It went down below to, I think, around $1. Yeah, right here it went to like $1. Now it's sitting at $1.10. Still lower highs and lower lows, so it's probably still gonna drop lower. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end. So for now the trend is just bearish, and we cannot expect any higher price targets until something changes in the market. We still have Link. Link didn't go back to our entry price target at $13, so let's see if it goes back there. I will definitely buy more Link. And Link, let's see, Link was the only one that still looked, and we still didn't create a lower low here. So we can see Link is still above this low here, so still very bullish on Link. Let's see, maybe we will see some big movements. Besides, the other altcoins and other cryptos are all looking bearish, but Link here, it's still on a small uptrend. So I'm still not gonna sell any of my Link. I still have my Link position open. I already put my stop loss in the profit zone, so cannot lose anything on that. Now let's see what else we have here. We have AVAX also $30, went down a little bit, and as you know, I think AVAX was 100 or something in the previous. It was just here, it jumped over to $50, so it almost retraced down 40% or maybe even more. Let's check it out. From here to here, 40% down on AVAX, and AVAX is one of the major altcoins, and that's why I'm telling you, you need to be very careful when buying altcoins, especially in a FOMO period like we had before, where people were anticipating the Bitcoin ETF and much more. Because as you can see, if you would have put $100,000 in AVAX at the top here, you would now have only $60,000, so almost 50% loss, almost half of your capital gone just because you didn't buy at the right time. That's why if you're not experienced, just use the dollar cost average method. So this method is one safe method for all beginners or people who are not professional traders. Now, besides that, I would definitely buy more AVE when it goes down. Let's see where I would buy more AVE. I would buy more AVE here at $25. That's where I'm gonna buy more AVE. $25, waiting for that. That's still a 20% drop from here, so you need to be very careful. That would be a 50% drop from the top, so from the local top that we had. So you need to be very, very careful with that. But still, I think AVAX has a lot of room to grow because AVAX was, I think, $150 back in the previous bull market. So still a lot of room to grow. So let's say you would buy now at $30, you can even make a 5x if it goes back to the same price before. Now, what other altcoins do we have here? Monero, we have Monero, and Monero is holding strong. It looks like it's still in an uptrend also. It didn't create a lower low yet, so I'm still bullish on Monero for sure. I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye.